Hello friends, look at this. This is a lot of animal toy. There is a very unique color animal toy friends. Look friends. But we are very dust. So clean fast. One by one. Let's go. Friends, look at this. This is a dog. This is a big dog friends, but we are very dust, so clean the dog. Wow, we clean up the dog. Look at this friends. That is a 4-leg dog. Oh my god, this is so cute. Friends, that is a black and white colored dog. The dog live in home. So pick up the dog. Friends, look this. This is an elephant. This is a big elephant friends, but we are very dust, so clean the elephant. Wow, we clean up the elephant. Look at this friends. There is a 4-leg. Oh my god, that is a unique color, but so nice beautiful color friends. Look at this friends. There is a big teeth and big hair. So cute. The elephant live in forest. So pick up the elephant. Friends, look at this. This is a giraffe. This is a long giraffe friends, but we are also dust, so clean the giraffe. Wow, we clean up the giraffe. Look at this friends. That is a 4-leg giraffe. Look friends, it is so cute. There is a yellow and white color giraffe friends. Oh my god, so nice beautiful color. The giraffe live in forest. Friends, look at this. This is a hands. A 2-leg hands friends, but we are very dust. Look this. So clean the hands. Wow, we clean up the hands. Look at this friends. That is a cute hands. So little boy. Friends, look this. It is a green color. So nice beautiful color friends. The hands live in home. So pick up the hands. Friends, look at this. This is a crocodile. It is a small crocodile friends, but so very dust. So clean the crocodile. Wow, we clean up the crocodile. That is very unique. So nice beautiful. Friends, look this. That is a 4-leg. It is a very dangerous friends. Look at this. The crocodile live in water. So pick up the crocodile. Friends, look at this. This is a lion. Unique lion, friends. Look, friends, we are a very dust. So clean the lion. Wow, we clean the lion. Look at this, friends. There is a four-legged lion. So cute. But it is a very dangerous, friends. The lion run fast. The lion live in jungle. It is a jungle king. So pick up the lion. Friends, look at this. This is a camel. This is a very also dust camel. So clean the camel. Wow, we clean up the camel. Look at this, friends. There is a four-legged camel. Oh my god, look this, friends. It is a chocolate color. So nice, beautiful color, friends. Look, friends. It is a so cute camel. The camel live in forest, friends. So pick up the camel. Friends, look at this. We all animal toy clean. So thank you for watching.